Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, it is time to get back on the Monday grind. Don't worry about it. We're gonna make it through with ease. We just gotta keep it moving, keep grinding, and everything will work itself out. Now, before we get started, we got some winners that we gotta announce from the WatchFace giveaway, which was the Chroma WatchFace by CW Design. Cool? Alright, so with that being said, let's name them off. Number 1 is gonna be Raza Lama. Number 2 is going to be Todd Crawford. Number 3 is going to be John Barak, if I pronounce that right. And then number 4 is going to be Paul T. Leedy. You guys are the winners of the WatchFaces. I'm going to leave my email in the description down below. Email me so I can send you your free WatchFace code. And with that, let's get this review started. Hey, we didn't get a chance to tell you in the intro, but there is going to be a giveaway for these watch faces as well. You know the drill. All you got to do is simply comment. That's it. That's all. You don't have to be a subscriber to win. And with that, you're eligible. Let's go ahead. Let's get this review started now. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got a tight lineup for you all by Pappy Watch, and Pappy definitely always gets down. This watch face is no exception. The name of the watch face is called PW34 P2 Special Sport. It's a 12 and a 24-hour watch face in always on mode. I'm telling you, this thing looks beautiful. I like the way it lights up. I like the fact that it gives you all the info you can ever want to see at a glance. I'm telling you, this one here is tight. And when the watch face is on, you get all the info you can ever want. You get all the shortcuts you'll ever need. And the design layout is nice. I'm liking it. Now you get your time digital readout here. You get your date. You also get your animated seconds right there. You get your day and your year down at the bottom. Up at the top, you're going to get your heart rate info. Right up under that, you're going to get the info on all your exercising, floors climbed, miles walked or ran, calories burned, and your steps. This is nice. I'm liking it. Battery info over here. You get your step goal info over here. I haven't been anywhere. Again, don't judge me. Today's my day off. And you get your shortcuts here. You get settings. You get your email. You can make phone call right here. You can also do your text message, calendar. If I tap right here, I can get my weather. I thought that was pretty nice. And I'm telling you, I want to say that this watch face is what they say in car terms, fully loaded. You got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. I'm loving it. Number 2, now number 2 is also boss. Now the name of this watch face is called PW35 Multi-Sport. It's also a 12, 24-hour watch face. Now in always on mode, it pretty much favors number 1. It looks good, it's full of info, but when the watch face is on, I'm telling you, this guy is amazing. What I like is, I do like the split. I like the info and the layout of it all. You get your digital time right here in the blue section. Over here, you also get information on all your exercise and steps climbed, floors climbs, your steps, miles walked or ran, calories, also your heart rate. Down at the bottom, you're going to get info on what day of the week it is. Now, up here in the blue section, you're going to get all your shortcuts that you want. You got weather, you got your calendar, you got contacts, email, text message, and you can make a phone call right down there at the bottom. I'm telling you, this is beautiful. I'm loving it, right? So, but what you can do is if I tap down at the bottom, I can customize the color of this side. I thought that was pretty nice. It has so many to go through, so just keep tagging it, customize it with whatever you have on or whatever's your favorite color, right? And then you can do the same thing over on this side. Just double tap and you can customize the color. I'm liking this. This is beautiful. All right, you got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of this one. Let me know, is it a download or not? Let's check out watch face number 3. Number three is called PW42 Gear Sport. This one here is awesome. Now in the always on mode, it pretty much favors 1 and 2, but when its watch face is on, it looks totally different. I like that it gives you your steps separated right at the top, very legible. Right up under that, you get all the info for your step activity, miles walked or ran, steps, heart rate, calories burned. Right up under that, you're gonna get your digital time along with the day and the date and the year, which I thought was pretty nice. And that this little meter here represents your goal completed. Again, I haven't completed anything. I haven't been nowhere, right? Down at the bottom, you're going to get info. Well, you're going to get an opportunity to access your shortcuts, which is your contacts, your music. I love my music, your calendar, and also your text messages. And then right here, lets you know what day it is. I like that. Day 35 is the 6th week in the year already. Day 46. This is nice. I'm telling you, this guy did a great job, right? So also, if I double tap right here, I can customize the color. Very nice. Same thing here. Just double tap. You can customize the color. I thought this was pretty cool. And right here, I'm telling you, this guy here surprised me at every turn. Just double tap, customize all your boxes. Listen, hit me in the comment section. Let me know about all 3 watch faces. To me, I think this is worth the money that this guy is asking for this watch face. They all look awesome. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.